Alright, welcome everyone. In our today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to download the PhotoG application. Alright, a lot of persons have actually been seeking for a working PhotoG app. Okay, so if your phone is not able to use the Photo-P, then your phone should be able to use the PhotoG app. Alright, there are a lot of mock-up design you can also do with the PhotoG app, but this one you're downloading is not a hacked file, so if you need the VIP access, maybe you need to pay some token, but I don't think it works here in Nigeria. All right, unless the file you have is already hacked. But this is how you get it downloaded. First of all, head straight to your Chrome browser, search for cafe bazaar.ir. Okay, so cafebazaar.ir. Now the app store is not actually an English app store. Okay, you can see the write-up is totally in Arabic. All right, so all you need to do is to download and install. All right, we want to download this very Android app into our phone. So click on download and continue to download. Now it might actually ask you to allow the app to install from unknown source. Okay, just okay it. The app is not actually harmful. All right, so click on this green icon to continue. For the fact that is an Arabic, who try to make use of it. Now all you need to do is come over to the search icon. It's just like Play Store, then search for PhotoG. All right, so here we have the PhotoG application. Are you seeing that? So just tap on it to install. Click on the green button just like the way it is on your Play Store, and be patient for it to download. After downloading, it will be installed. All right, so my PhotoG has been installed. Okay, so what it did was just download. It just download, and I want to install it. It's not like Play Store that install directly to your phone. So I will use my packet installer. When it shows you this is what I was talking about earlier on, that you should allow install unknown app from your source. Just click on settings and allow. Then you can successfully install your PhotoG app. Now, for those of us that might want to make use of the website, instead of you downloading the app, you can come over to website, but it's advisable you download the app. All right, I will 100% advise you download the app. Your Chrome browser is going to convert all the applications to English for you, so you can also come to the search icon here and also search for PhotoG. Okay, sorry, I added VIP. All right, so you can see this is your PhotoG. You can also install it from here as well. All right, so guys, this is how easy it is for you to actually download your PhotoG app. If you, let's see if it's actually installed in my device. Of course, here it is. So our next tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to make a simple design with your Pixel Lab app and how to mock it up using your Photo G. I will see you all in our next class.